Hi friends, welcome to Specialpedia. Specialpedia presents number 40.
Hi friends, welcome to Speciopedia. I am back with a new video. In last video, we see about neutron stars, and in today's video, we will discuss about black holes. So, let's start the video. Black holes. Black holes are among the strangest objects in the universe. The pull of their gravity is so great that nothing can escape from them, not even light. Most black holes form when massive stars run out of fuel and die in an explosion. The dead star's core, unable to resist the crushing force of its own gravity, collapses, shrinking in milliseconds until it is infinitely smaller than an atom. The core becomes what scientists call a singularity, an object so impossibly small that it has zero size but infinite density. Anything straying within a certain distance of the singularity is doomed to get pulled off in by gravity and disappear forever. The point of no return forms a spherical boundary around the singularity called an event horizon, which marks how close you can safely get. Elements of black hole. These are the elements of black holes. You can see the assertion disk, a swirling mass of matter destined to spiral into the black hole or be ejected into space. You can see event horizon, gravitational boundary beyond which neither light nor matter can escape. And you can see the relativistic jets, which are matter and radiation in extending out hundreds of thousands of light years. And the lensing of black hole. Black holes bend light. In this artist's impression, light from the assertion disk is bent to form a glowing halo around the black hole. And at the center is singularity. Hidden in the black hole center is singularity, where matter has been squeezed into a point of infinite density. First image of black hole. This is the first image of black hole. In April 2019, scientists released the first ever image of a black hole. The breakthrough image was created using an international network of telescopes collectively called the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) and shows galaxy M87's supermassive black hole surrounded by its gold-colored assertion disk. Types of black holes. First type is stellar black hole and second type is supermassive black hole. Two main types of black hole exist, stellar and supermassive. Stellar black holes form when enormous stars explode as supernovas. At the end of their lives, supermassive black holes are bigger and are found at the centers of galaxies, often surrounded by a whirlpool of intensely hot glowing matter. First, stellar black hole. This is image of a stellar black hole. Second, supermassive black hole. This is image of supermassive black hole. Spaghettification. The gravitational pull of a black hole rises so steeply near B that an astronaut falling into one would be stretched like spaghetti and torn apart. Gravity is strongest on legs, stretching them first, bending light and stretching time. Black holes have such powerful gravity that they bend like giant lenses. If Earth orbited a black hole, an observer would see a highly distorted image of the planet, like one of the above. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, black holes also slow down time. If an astronaut spent only an hour or so near a black hole, he might return to Earth to find that many years had passed. Wormholes. Einstein's theory of relativity says that massive objects bend the four combined dimensions of space and time. Some experts have speculated that black holes might wrap space-time so much that they could create shortcuts called wormholes between different parts of universe or different times. There is no direct evidence that wormholes exist. So let's see some fast facts. First, there could be tens of millions of black holes in our galaxy Milky Way. Second, the distance to the nearest black hole is about 1500 light years. Third, some scientists think black holes may evaporate and disappear over time by leaking heat energy. Fourth, the swirling clouds of matter around supermassive black holes are the brightest objects in the world. Sorry, it is in the universe. Fifth, some black holes rotate thousands of times per second. So friends, I hope that you liked this information and the video. So goodbye and take care.